At a railroad crossing in Chicago, the warning lights may be bright, but the driver of this truck certainly isn't. He thinks he can outrun a fast-moving freight train. Instead of stopping, he keeps on trucking. But it's rush hour, and because of the line of cars ahead, he can't clear the tracks. And now, this big rigger's in big trouble. The train smashes into the 18-wheeler, causing a domino effect. So exactly what happened here? A train expert describes the crack-up in technical terms.
It would look like a beer can getting hit by a gorilla. Just smashed it like it was nothing, like just effortless. It rocked the world for that moment.
Thankfully, no one was seriously hurt due to the trucker's stupid behavior. But at least he learned a valuable lesson. Only Superman is more powerful than a locomotive.